Hello and welcome to the first forensic update of 2018. I'm Bill Duffin. The ever-changing world of technology is a constant challenge for digital forensic investigators. In order to make evidence collection more effective and transparent, the National Institute of Standards and Technology has released Federated Testing Tools, a new and free software suite. The suite includes 3 tools, one for copying computer disks, another for mobile device data extraction, and the third for write blockers. The goal is to ensure an agency's digital forensic software won't fail when used on a suspect's personal computer, tablet, or other media device. Recently, NFSTC's Michelle Chernikoff spoke with an expert to learn more about this important digital forensic tool.
Thank you, Jeff, for joining us today. I'm going to hop right in with our first question. And can you walk us through a basic seizure of digital or electronic media?
Yes, ma'am. When collecting any type of electronic media, you would take the same approach as you would collecting any item of evidence on the objective. You'd want to make sure that you're identifying the device, documenting the scene, taking photographs of those devices, and creating a chain of custody.
All right, so what's the importance of using tools during a digital forensic examination that have been tested through NIST?
Well, ma'am, if your end goal of your examination is to support a successful prosecution, then utilizing forensic tools that have been tested through the NIST is a crucial step to ensure that your data is admissible in court. Forensic examiners for both the prosecution and the defense must be able to prove that their forensic imaging software, their write blockers, performed the way that they were supposed to perform, that they protected the data, and did not add any unforeseen errors into the examination.
So you mentioned errors in the data. Why is it important for investigators to show changes that are made to a suspect's computer?
When collecting data from a live computer, it's a little bit more difficult to prevent changes from happening to that device, because any tool or software that you connect to that suspect computer has the potential to leave changes on that device. So it's extremely important to be transparent and document what those changes are, and that you're using tools that you know that if they do make changes, that they've been identified beforehand.
So how will the newly released NIST suite assist an agency in a digital forensic investigation?
Well, forensic software and tools are constantly being updated, and there's new revisions being put out all the time. And those revisions or those updates may not have necessarily gone through the NIST site to be tested and validated and verified. So at our lab, we can, with this new suite of software, we can run all of our tools through this software to make sure that the tools are working the way they should. We would not want to find out that one of our tools has failed during an examination.
All right. Thank you, Jeff, for your time today and for sharing your expertise with us.
Thank you, ma'am.
A small DNA sequencer, a 2-step software, and a database of more than 78,000 genomes could be the next forensic science breakthrough. Researchers at Columbia University and the New York Genome Center have developed a 2-step process that can accurately verify a person's identity in minutes using DNA. Using a MEN-ion DNA sequencer, random strings of DNA are analyzed. Then, random individual variants, the parts of your genome that make you, are selected. Next, using an algorithm, the researchers randomly compare the selected variants to corresponding ones with profiles in a database, like DNA Land. With a price tag of only $1,000 for the sequencer, researchers say this combination could be used by agencies across the globe for cases like identifying victims of mass casualties. A busy or shiny background can hinder an investigator's ability to collect and document a fingerprint. Researchers from Wuhan University in China wanted to prevent surfaces like metallic and plastic from fluorescing under UV light. They developed a long-lasting luminescent that can be seen after the UV light is turned off, leaving only the treated print visible. The study also found older prints, up to 60 days, could be treated with the chemical. While the research is promising, it may be a while before it's approved for us in U.S. laboratories. If you'd like to learn more about the stories you've seen, we put links up on our As Seen on the Forensic Update page. Until next time, I'm Bill Duffin. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching this latest program from NFSTC. If If you'd like to see more, click on one of these links and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.